Okay, so today I've decided to talk about illegal immigration. Last video for the week. I feel like it's worth talking about because on the way back from the gym today, I saw a group demonstrating for immigration reform. I just want to first hit on the Arizona immigration law that caused an uproar in the United States a little while back. And the law just pretty much stated that if a cop pulled someone over with just cause, or if a cop had arrested someone with just cause, and then later found out that they weren't identifiable through a driver's license or an ID or anything like that, then they could then go through the process of trying to identify them. And if that didn't work, and there was all these processes that kind of led them to um, figure out that the person or the suspect was actually an illegal immigrant, then they could start the process of deportation, which takes a while. There's immigration lawyers to fight that kind of stuff, and as well as many other things that have to deal with immigration. But it's kind of made out to be in mainstream media that pretty much all Arizona immigration law states is that if someone looks like they're illegal, a cop can stop them and deport them, which is totally not true, and it's kind of been made out to be that way. So my opinion is that I think you should go and read the Arizona immigration law, the actual law itself, just the law, and form your own opinion. Don't read or watch anyone else's opinion. Form your own opinion. I think next we should talk about the term illegals. The term illegals. I don't believe that there's anything such as an illegal human being, physically, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, whatever. But I feel like there is such thing as illegal immigrants. People immigrate to America from all over this world and have to go through a legal process in order to establish citizenship here. And it's a legal process. And if you skip that legal process, then you're immigrating illegally. So there are such things as illegal immigrants. Illegal human beings, no. Illegal immigrants, yeah, there are. Um, but I think the issue is far deeper reaching than that. I think it's important to look at immigration reform. I'm kind of learned a lot about this through my political science class, just simply because the guy who sits behind me in political science is an immigrant who immigrated here legally and went through the process. And so he's actually one of the smartest kids in the class. He always has the right answer. He's brilliant. I always love listening to his opinions of more than just this topic, but this topic in particular because he actually went through it. He explained that it took 14 years to go through the process of actually becoming a legal citizen, and it cost thousands of dollars. And I think therein lies the problem, because if this issue were an issue that had a time frame on it of less than a year and wasn't a financial burden, then we wouldn't be uh, having such a big issue with it. The guy that sits behind me in political science, has expressed that he has animosity and irritation and frustration towards illegal immigrants because he went through this 14-year process and spent thousands of dollars, and he gets the same benefits as someone who came here illegally. So he doesn't agree with that. He doesn't know why he should have gone through that process if people are just being welcomed illegally and being given these benefits even though they're not legal immigrants. Obviously, there's a lot far deeper reaching issues than just making it a short time frame, make it cost effective. There's reasons that cost so much, and there's reasons it takes so much time. But I think before we target issues such as harsher border control or immediate deportation or anything like that, I think we should look at the process behind why people are coming here illegally. If we make it shorter and more financially accessible, will it change everything? I mean, of course, it won't change 100% of the people who immigrate here, but I think that it's a step in the right direction versus trying to police the issue with more cops and more border control and more armed um, individuals protecting our border. Again, this is my opinion. This is what I think about this whole immigration reform issue. I think that right now we're looking at it from the wrong angle. If we just adjust the angle, realize that if we made it a shorter process and a more financially accessible process, we may have more luck um, getting people to come here legally versus illegally. That's my opinion. Again, read the Arizona immigration law yourself so you can determine if you agree with it or not based on the media or what your friends think, but based on what you actually explicitly read. Think about the term illegals not as a definition, but more as a colloquialism for the term illegal immigrants, which do exist. And think about immigration reform and what the most effective way to do it is. Is what my opinion the right way to do it, or do you think another way about it? So hopefully this sparks a little bit more interest and thought process behind illegal immigration. Hopefully this was able to inform and provoke your own thought process behind it.